is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Dear friends, it's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, playful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better get that treat that's good to eat if you want to be quite serene. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Ready to snowball us. If you want your heart with something sweet, you're ready sweet to us.
Oh, Mickey, I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. All night long. Trick or treat, all the time is gone. Jingle bells are fun. These things are your nightmares will come true. Trick or treat.
Hey, look, a dog.
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says 0.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, no house. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
bunch of funny bones.
That music! It's so familiar!
It's coming from behind that door.
Ghosts!
A ghost masquerade!
They were beautiful.
You said it.
This place isn't so spooky after all! Yikes! What's happening?
Now it's getting scary.
Well, what happened here? You're in our world now, and he took his turn to boogie.
perfect Halloween tale filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular as you carry